Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first 5 challenges, let's take up our 6th challenge now, which is level up with advanced formulas. So once if you launch your playground, click on object manager. So here in quick find, I'm just going to search for opportunity. So once if you get the result, click on it, and now click on fields and relationship followed by new. So guys, once if it is done, choose formula right over here followed by next. So here let's copy our field label which is given in our challenge. So copy this and paste it over here. So guys, once if it is done, we are going to choose % right over here for formula return type and leave decimal places as 2. Now click on next, and now just copy and paste this formula, which I will give it in command section. So once if it is done, click on check syntax. So we shouldn't get any errors right over here. So once if it is perfect, click on next and keep it visible for all, followed by next, followed by save and new. We are going to create one more field, and now choose formula followed by next. Let's copy our field label which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, choose formula return type as text followed by next. And guys, now copy and paste this formula which I have provided in command section. Now click on check syntax. We shouldn't get any errors right over here. Now click on next, followed by making visible for all, followed by next, followed by save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our 6th challenge as well. Final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.